Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm on a bus on the way to Oslo. Let's go, come with me. Plenty of room in the bus, so I'm moving around. I arrived. This is the place where they're preparing the wedding festivity, especially the food. Let's have a look. There's a dead body up there. Oh, two! Oh my god. Looks like gonna have two lechon, guys. Hello.
Good morning.
Smell nice. Fry lechon. Fried. Nice. Got some nice cook here.
No choice.
Let's see where we are because I'm completely lost. They came to pick me up. This is a friend of a friend. It's relatives of a friend. Everybody working hard. So this is inside the house. I was interested. I think really fascinated by the way Filipino lives. Hello.
Ako kasi mo gamit sa plancha, te ha.
They told me I can film, okay? So don't whinge. All right, that's it. That's nice. Oh, thank you. And hospitality is second to none. They put fan everywhere just for me. They're amazing. Very nice. Every Filipino I met, they all like that. very hospitable. Everybody working so hard. Yeah, lumpia. I'm gonna try this. Yeah, why not? Just a little snack. There's a fry something. We're gonna try to. I know I always drink San Miguel, but there's no San Miguel call here. So I end up with the Red Horse. This one is delicious. I don't normally eat pork, but this one's really nice. And that was filled up with lemonade actually, I just saw before. Oh, so tired. So they allow me to occupy one of the rooms until the hotel is available at 2 p.m. It's still only not even 12. So they put a fan here and they're gonna have a little nap until the hotel is available. Nice people. Just in time. I'll follow you.
Wait lang.
Wow. My favorite.
Maligo mo? Dali, dali, dali! Hoy! Hoy! Yes! 1, 2, 3! Run! Go! Pasok dari tiyo, alis at tiyo dari. Sige, sige ato na.
Okay, this is the hotel I stay in, just north of Oslo. Not far at all. 10 minutes with the tricycle. It's really nice with a pool. 1,500 per night. The room are very nice. I may get some photo later on. I know I should have brought my bike. I didn't come with my bike. I didn't dare. I should. First thing I do always check with the sea. I hope I can swim today. I'm gonna stay for a day or two here. The vestige of Spanish discovery of the Philippines for Europe. Yeah, Oslob is nice, I like it. The bike hire is 500, is cheaper, much cheaper than Cebu. Yeah, nice. Nice here, there's more vestige. There's a... I don't know if I can get in with a motorbike. Beautiful church.
Berhin Immaculada Concepcion, Senior San Jose, Senior San Roque, Berhin Maria, Berhin San Lourdes, San Nicolas de Tolentino, Santa Veronica, Santa Magdalena, Santa Salome, Santa Cleope, San Nicolino, o sa mga santos at Santa Calami. Isa pa inungod sa Calami, Ambrosio Senior, Aurea, Between, Teodosia,
Yeah, interesting place.
Renato Senior, Vicente.
Cuartel. Okay, this is my breakfast. Tinola, fried eggs, and lumpia. That's a nice spot.
Balik. Nabak sa'yo. Tara daw ay.
I'm in Ayala. Anyway, I'm gonna have something to eat. I'm starving. Exactly 500 pesos for that. That's a new playground for kids. Less younger. My favorite place to relax. Yeah, I just can't pick up my bike. Handguard down. Oh, that looks good. Beautiful. Good job. Okay, let's go home. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.